everyone, my name is Clara. I'm a student ambassador at University of Glasgow, Adam Smith Business School. And first of all, welcome to Glasgow. So today, I just want to share with you guys some tips that really helped me when I first came to Glasgow. If you are getting ready to move here, I know that there are a lot of exciting things, but a little bit scary at the same time. Hopefully, my tips can help you feel better. First of all, bring a warm coat. Glasgow is a really beautiful city, but to be honest, it's a little bit cold and rainy even in September. So if you are from a warmer country like me in Southeast Asia, you may get a small temperature shock when you step outside the airport. So please remember, bring a really warm coat and maybe a hoodie in your hand luggage. You will probably need it right away. And if your luggage still has space, you can bring an umbrella or a light waterproof jacket also to help you prevent from the rain outside. Because in Glasgow, it can rain anytime, even when the weather app says sunny. So please remember. Secondly, download Uber app and use student discount. When you arrive at the airport, the easiest and most convenient way to get to the accommodation is use Uber instead of bus or taxi because you have like 2 to 3 really big luggages. Moreover, you can see the exactly price that you need to pay for Uber driver, so it is like easier for you to control the cost. It's a good idea to set up and download Uber before you fly to Glasgow and link your card or Apple Pay also. Because when you move here, the Wi-Fi from the airport is not that good and it will waste your time as well as cause you stress. Besides, you also need to download student bins or uni days to get £5 discount for your first ride in Uber. Maybe it can help you to save a little bit of money. I really regret that I didn't use that discount voucher, so yeah, please do it. You can save £10. Thirdly, get your SIM card ready. One thing that really helped you in the first day is that you have the internet to connect. There are a lot of SIM card options in the UK like giffgaff, O2, EE, or other brands. You can order one online and activate it before you fly. So when you land, you can use 4G, 5G immediately to use Google Maps, Uber, or other apps. Just make sure that you can connect to the internet as soon as possible. It's really helpful when you move to a new city. If you don't do it in advance, don't worry. You can buy the SIM card through some machines in the airport. Fourthly, set up a digital banking app. Now about money. This is a thing that a lot of students don't think about until they arrive. Opening a traditional bank account in the UK can take some time. This is because you need proof of address or appointments. So my advice is to set up a digital bank account like Revolut or Monzo before coming. It's super easy to use because you just need your passport and your phone, and then you can open an account with I think a few minutes. You can pay in pounds, transfer money, or even use your virtual card right away, like link it to your wallet. And I think it's also safer when you don't need to bring too much cash along when traveling. Last but not least, be positive and open-minded. Moving to another country is a really big step, and it's totally normal to feel nervous at first. You might worry about your English. You can feel a little bit homesick or even confused by the new culture. But trust me, we have all been there. Don't be shy to talk to others, classmates, flatmates, your lecturers, your tutors, even strangers at the coffee shop. And don't be afraid to make mistakes because like we are people, we are just human, we all make mistakes, but who cares? I'm an international student and I also faced a lot of challenges like that. But I believe that all of us can overcome and improve ourselves. Every small moment can help you feel better, be more confident, and grow. So please believe in yourself and nice to see you at Glasgow.